From here, I would like to take you to the skill set. There are various students like me who are currently in engineering or who are going to go through the 11, 12 standard and then they'll be applying for engineering. So, what are the skill set you think should be there with the students if they want to get into astronomy?
Coming to the skill set part, Prasad, I'll tell you one thing. Honestly, I strongly believe in one thing. There's no better learning than self-learning, right? And if something is not being taught in the schools as of now, it is not a part of the curriculums. So it leaves just one option: go and study by yourself, right? But I'll tell you one thing. There are two basic subjects which I really emphasize on. If someone wants to go into a little bit of research about astronomy and space, I would just say there are two certain things which you should never miss, and you should be in love with two subjects to go into hardcore research. Those two subjects are physics and mathematics. So these two subjects, they build up the base for anything you do in astronomy. I'm talking about the research part in astronomy, right? For observational and amateur astronomy, honestly, nothing that you read in your school can help you with that. It's just experiential learning, because what you learn in this domain, this is by experiences. Again, the best teacher, the best skill set that you can acquire by yourself, in the field of observational astronomy is go out to a place outside your city, to a suburb place or a rural area. Just take a couple of sheets with you, put them on the ground, lie down and look at the stars, man, because that feeling is unmatched. Plus, what you observe, you tend to remember that. If you spend even a few hours under a dark and a good sky, you can actually feel the rotation of the earth happening right in front of you. You could see the stars changing positions, just like we see the sun rising in one direction, setting in the other direction, isn't it?
Right.
You can feel those things. And I believe, experiential learning is one such fact that you should always inculcate into your everyday life. Plus, about the basic skill set, a few more things if you'd like me to add. I would say, you should start reading books. As you mentioned, you were recently reading a book by Carl Sagan, isn't it? So these prominent, astronomers, astrophysicists who've been there in the past, who've done so much research and contributed so much to the field, they've written some wonderful books. And I would say just reading and studying about this would give you different perspectives and an idea about different fields which you can actually pursue. So I think that is one way to go around this. That is one way students can, pursue something in this field, and they can probably go ahead and build a career just by using these points.